Welcome to this tutorial brought to you by Gospel Beats, your source for music, blogs, tutorials, IT stuff, and beyond. And in this tutorial, we're going to talk about the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, my personal study guide I use to pass the exam. But I'm just going to focus on EC2 instances in this video. So it's going to be a quick, short video, straight to the point. I passed the exam a few years ago and it seemed to help a lot of people. So I decided to continue with these videos. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get straight into it. All right, so let's look at first, what is a EC2 instance? Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Amazon EC2 is a web service that provides secure, resizable compute capacity in the cloud. It is designed to make web-scale cloud computing easier for developers. Amazon EC2's simple web service interface allows you to obtain and configure capacity with minimal friction. It provides you with complete control of your computing resources and lets you run on Amazon proven computing environment. Essentially, it's just a powerful computer in the cloud. So think of a computer in the cloud or at one of Amazon's location that you're accessing from your computer. So we're going to look at the types, instance type. So we have a reserve instances, and the reserve instances is Amazon EC2 Reserve Instance RI provide a significant discount up to 72% compared to on-demand pricing and provide a capacity reservation when used in a specific availability zone. EC2 RIs provide a discounted hourly rate and an optional capacity reservation for EC2 instances. AWS billing automatically applies your RI's discounted rate when attributes of EC2 instance usage match attributes of an active RI. Its keyword here is steady and predictable. You reserve, just like you go to a restaurant and you reserve a table, you go to AWS and you reserve a computer that's just reserved just for you. All right, we're going to look at spot instances. Now, this EC2 instance type can be interrupted. It's stateless, it's fault tolerant. Flexible applications is for flexible applications, a lot of data analysis, batch jobs, hyperscale workloads. 90% compared to on-demand, medical, scientific bids. So people bid on these spot instances. So when you think of spot, you think like on the spot, like spin it up real quick. So this is going to be a little bit probably cheaper because it can be interrupted. So if somebody has a better bid, they can bid on that same computer on the spot and use that computer. All right, so we're going to look at a dedicated host or dedicated computer. So this is a physical EC2 server dedicated for your use. So it's similar to reserve, but it's dedicated for you. So can help reduce costs by allowing to use existing server-bound software licenses, including Windows Server, SQL Server, and SUSE Linux enterprise servers, subject to license terms, integrated with AWS License Manager. So as you can see, the keywords in here is software licenses when you think about dedicated hosts. All right, now EC2 on demand. So just like you go to your cable TV and you want to pull up a movie on demand, you can go to AWS and pull up a computer on demand. So you pay for compute capacity, pay by per hour or per second. So it's no long-term commitments or upfront payments. Application with short-term, spiky, or unpredictable workloads cannot be interrupted. Good luck. I hope this helps. That pretty much wraps everything up. Leave a comment if you passed your test. Leave a comment if I missed something or if I made a mistake. You should be able to download the PowerPoint at gospelbeats.com. I may work on doing an audio version, but anyway, this is brought to you by Gospel Beats, your source for music, blogs, tutorials, IT stuff, and beyond. This is your boy CYB. Thanks for watching. Until next time.